Hi, Poppy in the workshop. This is Caffeine and BS for March 31st, 2019. And it's also previews for the next 2 weeks' posts. Well, preview JPEG, slideshow. Just to tease you, get you to tune in. Tomorrow I got to get out in the shop, and now I've got to do some basic stuff, turning between centers, using the compound set at 84 degrees to split the layout line, so to speak, or as I like to call it, chase nominal and 10,000th of an inch increments. Yeah. Okay. Also, pretty soon in this month of April, when you see this, I'm going to be posting a 3 or more part mini-series on heart health. Joe Pazinski, I saw your video, Stop Shaving to Promote Heart Health Awareness. Is this good enough? Good night.